Yeah, siguro nabibingi siya sa yung mga panawagan ng mga fans na dapat may rematch, and then also he's always claiming that he's a greatest of all time,
Right.
and nag-o-object naman ako doon kasi ang tanong ko naman is in which part, ko sabi ko nga, kung kayo ay magaling mag-analyze ng boxing, so my question is like this: in which part that he can claim that he's the only one? Di ba? He's the only one.
Why?
He cannot claim that he's the only undefeated fighter, which is maraming nag-retire na undefeated, more than 15. So, hindi lang 15 boxers ang nag-retire na undefeated. So, ang tanong ko is laging in which part of his accomplishment that he can claim that he is
That's true.
the greatest,
Yeah.
you know. Um, to be a greatest is not based on your record undefeated, because there are so many fighters na nag-retire na undefeated.
Yeah.
So hindi ko naman, I'm not yung ko nang raising my own share, but nagyayabang ko, hindi naman, ayaw ko naman ganun, but at least ako, I can claim na first 8 different weight division, which is the hardest accomplishment na in boxing.
And the only one.
The only one.
Division.
First, 'di ba? Yung kumbaga, that's the hardest accomplishment in boxing ma-achieve. And also yung blessings ng Panginoon na naging champion ako in 4 different decades. Do you imagine that? Bihira yung mangyari eh. First time in history na a fighter who became a champion in four different decades. So 90s, 2000, 2010, 2020. So bihira mangyari yan. So at least makaklaim ako ng ganon. So if you're a
Yeah, that's true.
boxing
That's so
fan,
true. That's so true.
kung boxing fans ka na talagang nanonood ka at alam mo yung boxing, then you're the one who going to judge.